In the previous lecture, we understand how we have changed the layout dynamically. In this one, we will change the color. And here we go. And the reason why it is happening is every color is coming from the token. They are all dynamic. Let's learn how we can do this thing. However, if you want to learn more about the tokens, you can either check the card on the top or a description link in the below. Let's continue with this one. Now I want you to look at this card on the screen. Card number 1 and card number 2. This both card looks identical, but there is a major difference between two. If I take the second card and click and drag, it doesn't change the color. However, if I take the first card and put it in the frame, it will change the color as well as the layout. For layout, we already have created a video, which is lecture number 5. You can look into that in the description link below. Now, why this is happening? In the second card, if I select it, go on the right hand side and scroll down and open the selection color. Here, everything is coming as a static value. They are all hard coded. In the first card, if I do the same exercise, open the selection color, I have all the value coming dynamically with the help of the tokens. From where these token values are coming in? So I select anywhere outside of the canvas, go to the right hand side and click on the local variable. Here we have already defined our tokens and all the value that we required for both of our theme. This is the light theme value and this is a dark theme value. To start with, we will apply the token value to our cards. I have selected the card and I will go on the right hand side. These are all the colors which are present inside the card. So one by one, we will try to add a token value. So I will select the color which is in the background, go on the right hand side. In the fill section, click on that, go to the library and I will select a surface. For this one, I will select this one as a heading. So this is text primary. This would be text heading, click, go to the library, text heading, and this one I will make a selection and give the color as text secondary. So let's see which one is left out. So I will select the card once again, go on down. Okay, I think this is coming from the border. So I will click here and I will say this one is a stroke. Now we have applied all of these tokens. If I click and bring it to the frame, it doesn't change because we have not assigned the definition that went to change it. So let me go on the top and I will select the frame. But one thing I want to notice, when I select the frame, I want you to take a close look on this two card, appearance card and the fill on the right hand side. Currently, I will assign a token here. So I will click, go to the library and mention this one as theme. But moment I do this thing on the top where the appearance is, I will see an additional option where I can assign the variable mode. And I want to explicitly mention this one as dark. And now if I do this thing, fine, it is more likely to get changed. Let's do this exercise to all the other cards. So here I have a frame number 1. We have completed. So frame number 2 and 3. Go to the fill color and assign a theme here. And I will go to this card and we forgot to change the variable mode. So I will make this one selected, go on the appearance and within our token collection, I will say as dark. And now if I select the 2, which is card number 2 and do this exercise, it should change the color automatically. Hope you have enjoyed the video.